Hey friends, welcome back to Wayne's Wonderarium. And today's question is, can I turn this, which is a slightly flattened, trashed tire off of a cart that we have, and this, just some spray foam insulation, and turn it into a run flat tire. I have seen a video of that being done, so today's Wonderarium we're going to find out if Wayne can do it.
What do you want?
This right here.
I made it go super in and out. I wanted to find the perfect site you wanted it to. Well, perfect site.
Let me see what right here. So the answer is a very firm maybe. This is what came out of the process. It actually looks like, or feels like, most of my foam kind of blew out the side. So I think it might have had something to do with the fact that I was trying to put it into the inner tube rather than pull the inner tube out and just spray it directly into the into the tire, because it is quite solid on these parts, but I did have quite a bit of blowout. So I think I'm going to take one of my other tubes here, or other tires here, and experiment with that. I'm just going to use a bicycle tire removal tool, pry open the tire, tear out the inner tube, and see where that gets me. Actually got these metal tire irons on clearance somewhere. I don't remember where, possibly Walmart given the thing, but boy, these really don't want to come off, at least with one hand, so we'll try this off camera. Well, change of plans, that really did not work at all. Something about the age of the tires, probably. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to cut our little valve stem here. And let's see, I don't know if I have anything of a particularly good size, but let's see if this drill bit will work. It kind of pushes it down and out of the way. At least should be enough. And with that, I'm just gonna fill this sucker up with a bunch of spray foam, probably whatever I have left in that can. Well, here is the semi-final, I guess, incarnation. It looks like it is still flat in some areas, most of the areas. So maybe that what I'll do is try and drill some holes in the side and see if that works any better. But yeah, for now, I guess that's it. All right, so remember how it was pretty sturdy? Well, now it's not really sturdy at all, and quite a bit of places pretty much just straight up collapsed with whatever was in here. So we're gonna pull this one out and
Use this one.
go with the we're gonna try the other kind of foam here. So out with the window, in with the not window. That's good. Yeah.
Test tube.
Well, we'll see if that holds. Going back and watching a few other videos, I'm expecting it probably won't. But we'll just keep at it and see what we can figure out. I hope this finds you all happy, healthy, and safe, and we'll see you next time.